Hey guys, this is in somebody for 6 and this is I want to do like give an update on today is that I went out and I didn't do any open and like right now I'm very triggered and so yes, I don't know how I just get it's gonna it's things and it's gonna take some time. It just happened to me and not that usual on handling my triggering emotion at the time when I got triggered and it's very painful at that time. But I think and it's also like when I'm not like when I'm not a bulldog and then at that time just doing this stuff it's very fucking hard and when I'm not seeking any approval like right now there's no one else to this one like it's just very empty. So this one it's very easy for me to just talk and talk and talk, but it's very hard to it's very not very hard but just very challenging for me right now because I have not had that much trials to just talk in front of a lot of people around to shoot the video. It's very challenging usually, but I don't know, it's just very challenging for me. And one of the reasons that I think is that I'm very usually pinging. I'm just pinging a lot, and it's just a habit that I built on. I think in like childhood that you just do something and then you just get a response and you just latch on the response just to like that makes it reality for future. And it like when you're doing some creative work or something, it's very against the normal thing. And at the time it hurts at that time. It's not hard but just very you like I can't I'm not able to do that because of that reason. But I actually explained earlier like yesterday about this one, like this phenomenon of when someone is not very good in like socializing in the very childhood and they are tend to be and they don't have any approaches and stuff like that, like on that severity. People who had a little bit of experience, they kind of have a very rough time doing approaches in later on the game session because they have this reality or identity that's been built on from childhood. It just helps on the on the game part, on the conversation part, but it doesn't fucking help on the opening because you are looking for that alignment before you're about to do something, and everyone has their challenges, and I would just it's one of mine, and that's it. I think that's it for today. So yeah, you just feel this buzzing or it's very it's very triggering. But I think I have not done my just rationalizing that I have not done my work till that. I did have just rationalizing it in that way that I have not done it. That's why I'm not deserving of this one, like this handling of the emotions. And, I'm just gonna end it now. I hope you like this one. Like, share, and subscribe, and see you tomorrow.